Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be customizing my cat Kyan's fur. Not going to be the best thing ever, guys. Is that good? I guess it is. But you guys, okay. Well, first, I'm going to get this fur wet. Always use the fur to be wet before you start the customization. Be right back, guys. Before you start the customization, you always want their fur to be pretty wet. Okay. Then you want to grab your comb like this, and then you want to groom him down. Kyan, we're not customizing your belly. We're customizing your back. Then, once it's customized. Sorry that this is a video that you can't really see me in. I'm gonna try to hold it the best I can. Grab a blanket if you don't want your hand to get hurt. Oh, my cat kind of bites if you aggravate him. Okay. Then grab their fur. Not grab it, but try to make them stand still. Kyan. Sorry, guys. Kyan, you want to get a really good fur style? Then groom it upwards. Then that will change the fur color. Put some of it down, some of it up, down, till you get the right shade everywhere. Then pick their fur. No, not really. I'm making him a mane, guys. Because if you haven't heard the saying, Kyan the lion, ever heard of it? And this is Kyan's final form. His fur upwards, his head thing upwards. Trying to get a good glimpse of your face. So this is our Kyan. Okay, guys, this isn't the best thing I've ever made, but it's something. Bye. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And make sure to go check out my friend's YouTube channel where she her dog a mohawk. Go again.